Good morning, my dear student. So today we will going to read about the electronic spreadsheet. So this is the part 2. That means the rest section of the electronic spreadsheet. What is there in our to be taught? We will going to read about the linking data, hyperlinking, sharing, making the comments, making the different type of sections, and with that we will going to read about the macros. So let us start today's session. Now see here, first hyperlinking that I want to do with two sheet. So see here, sheet 4 I have given those the values as the tiger census, those the name has been given, and sheet 5 also I have given the name of the states and I want to record it. So this is what the hyperlinking that I want to do it from here. You can see it that first you will go, there are two many ways, that way of using your particular keyboard or using the mouse. There are the different options are there. So what you will do, first you will, with the use of keyboard, equals to then sum. Okay, if you give a sum, then open the bracket. After opening the bracket, then what you will going to do, that you can select. Okay, you can write it or you can select. So what you can write, so in those cases you know it, that in those cases we required bracket, inverted comma, then semicolon, single inverted comma, exclamation marks, then third bracket. So here I am using a single inverted comma. Before we do it, before we do this, first let us name it something. This sheet, let us rename it as I am using the okay, let us rename it. So this one I am giving tiger census, and next one I tiger census, TIGE, tiger, CENSUS, census. This one has been given as tiger census, and this one name, suppose I am renaming it tiger census statewise, TIGE, tiger, CENSIUS, census, STATE, state, WIAC, statewise. So suppose this two name we have given. So here if you want to write with a keyboard, what we can write, equals to then what, sum. Okay, equals to sum, then open the bracket, then open a single inverted comma. What is this, where I am highlighting tiger census. So what is this, TIGER, tiger, then CENSUS, tiger census. Tiger census, after we give it tiger census, then you see I have closed it, then I have given the exclamation mark. After I give the exclamation mark, now what is the range there? See the range is there from B4 to D4. So we are writing it, isn't it? So see, it came twice. I am deleting this tiger census. Now B4 colon D4. Okay, B4 colon D4, then close the bracket, then give enter. See, the value came. This is one way. Another way is that you can give equals to sign, then sum. After giving the sum, then open the bracket. After opening the bracket, then what you can do, you can go to the particular area from where you are want to take the value. So I am going here. So suppose I want to take the value from this particular area. Okay, so this is the area. Now I come here, you see, by you have to copy this particular part, this part only. Okay, so copy. After copying, you come here to the tiger census. So here you can paste it. Hmm. Here you can paste it. This is only with the mouse that we are doing. Suppose paste. See, everything has been done. Now you close the bracket. After you close the bracket, then you give enter. See, this is the way that we can do the hyperlinking between the different sheet. Okay, this is what the hyperlinking between the different sheet that we can do, and we can take out. Now creating the hyperlinking between the workbook, different workbook. Now see here, in this particular one, here I have given an yes bank fixed account and account balance. Okay, now now see here, in this particular one there is an another workbook I have opened. How to open the workbook, that you know, a new workbook or new book, you will go to the file, and if you go to the file, you see here that open, and there is a blank workbook. If you click on the blank workbook, a new workbook will open. Okay, so this way we have created it. Here also I have written the thing, and after I have written the thing, now I will show you the next workbook. Now see the next workbook. In this workbook I have given a collective data, and there I have given the particular total amount of the fixed deposit and total amount of the balance. So this is the thing I have given. Now I have to bring the value from there. Now how I will do, there are the two ways. Again I said that one way, that with the particular pattern, that we can use the keyboard, and using the keyboard you can write the cell reference there, and with the help of a keyboard and mouse. So better let us do it the easiest process that you can remember. And what you will going to do, you will write equals to then sum. After you write equals to sum, after writing the equals to sum, next what is there, that you have to select the area. Okay, you have to select those areas based on what the work can be completed, based on what the you can complete your work. So this is the particular area that you have done it. After that you open the first bracket. After opening the first bracket, then you can give here one single inverted comma. Okay, after giving the single inverted comma, then what to do and how to bring it. So what we will do now, you will go to the next area. You will go to the next part. Next part means I will go to the sheet 1. So let us go to the sheet 1. So now see here, in this particular area, what you have, this particular range. Now as you have this particular range, this particular area, you have to select that. Okay, you have to select that. So as it is selected, see the value is there, this particular value has been selected from here. So you can copy this value, you can copy this particular value. Okay, as you copy this value, you can copy it. So see here, this is the particular value what I am talking about, because this is the particular value what is there, this particular value is there, and you have to select this particular value. After selecting that particular value, then what you have to do, that I have in the book 1. Now I will return back in the book 3 to. Now see here. Now you see here that as I have selected this particular area from that means this particular cell, as I have selected this cell, so from this cell, that means this particular portion or this particular part I will going to select from here. Okay, so I have selected from here and I can copy it. I can copy this particular section. Now I will return back to sheet number 3, that is workbook 3. See here now in this workbook 3, as I have came in the workbook 3, you see here that as the sheet book 2 I have selected those data, then those the data what are there, that the data we will going to have it, and it has came. Now we can close the bracket. Okay, as we close the bracket and if you give enter, let's see what it is doing. Say see the total value from the two different book, that means book 1 and book 2, that we are doing it here also we can find that this is the way we can bring the other work also, isn't it? Other hyperlinking we can do it, we can link it. See here there is a linking face is there, you can do the linking. If you want to do the browse to the other area, other part outside of that browsing also can be done by you. Okay, so all this particular hyperlinking, different forms of hyperlinking we have done it, and we have shown to you that those are the how you can do with a sheet with the books, that means different Excel book 1, Excel book 2, how you can do it. Now I'll show you how you can give your comments, and how you can make a particular comments in a section. So let us do that comment, adding the viewing comments, and how you can make the margin, you know it, that suppose you are writing here, merging the different sections or merging this area also. Suppose I am writing here collective collective data data. So collective data, you see it has taken two cells D and E. So if you select this and if you go to the home, from this home there is a merge option is there, from there you can merge it, or another is that you can select the files and you can merge the files also, isn't it? So these are the different options of merging. Let us see the how can you make a comment. Now see here that I have done here the particular sections that you have seen it in the class. So suppose I want to make the comment. First you select this particular area. After selecting the particular area, you will go to the review. In the review, see here comment. So if you make a comment, see here this particular comment will come. Now you can write it. Suppose I am writing here TOTAL, total, SALE, sale of ANKIT. So when I have written this, so after I go out from here, you see one red color box. As soon as I take the cursor, you find it that comment will going to arrive here. So this is how you can do the comments and you can make the comment on it. Okay. Now see that I will show you how to do the macros. For doing the macros, what you have to do, first you have to go to the file. After you go to the file, as this is already open, you have to go to the options. Then in the option you see that Excel option sheet will open. Then you will select customize ribbon. Okay, after selecting the customized ribbon, see developer is already selected here. So if developer is not selected, you will select the developer, then you will click on OK. After that what you can do, see the developer came. Okay, so developer came. In this particular developer, what you can do, you can do the particular work. Okay, work of what? Work of doing the particular macros. Okay, you can do the different type of macros. Viewing or editing the code of macros. If you want to do the code of macros, then you can open to the macros. When the macro will open, see here, there the particular name will going to come. And you can make this particular thing. So now how to create a macro? You will go to the Visual Basic. So in a Visual Basic, if you go to the Visual Basic, you see this particular Visual Basic will going to come in front of you. Now when this VB will going to come to you, or one thing that you can press, the Alt and F11 key. Okay, Alt and F11 key. Clear? When we press the Alt and F11 to open the Visual Basic, so you can open it by see here, Visual Basic is there. So Visual Basic has open, and as we have opened the Visual Basic there, in this particular Visual Basic, by pressing Alt and F11, Visual Basic is open in front of you. Now when Visual Basic is open in front of you, then what you have to do, you have to make a new file. So if you want to go to this particular one, that see here, file. Okay, file, then see here, export, import file, all these things are there. So if you want to do this, you can import or export file, or you can go to the insert. Okay, what if you want to write the code, then you have to go to the insert. So when you go to the insert, see here, there are the use forms modules. Okay, use form modules. What will happen, I am showing you that I will open a module here. So as you open the module here, you see in Visual Basic the module has opened. Okay, so as module has opened, in this particular module I am writing one function. Okay, I am writing one function. Suppose I am writing here function function, then total, 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 then bracket open, bracket close. So remember it, don't give the name which are already existed, like sum and all. Sum is already existed, so that will not be valid. Now I am giving here suppose total, total equals to, suppose I am giving some value 10 plus 20. Okay, so this the thing has been done, this the thing has been created. After you create it, again you will press Alt and F11 key. So when you press this Alt and F11 key, from this particular section you will go to the sheet. That means where you are working, what is that sheet? That is sheet number 3. So you will go to the sheet number 3, and as you go to the sheet number 3, you find here, suppose I am now I am writing here, any place I can write, here also I can write. Suppose if I write equals to then total. Okay, if I write here total, and then after writing the total, what I need to do, because as it is a function, then function should have the bracket open, bracket close. So if you give it and enter, see what happened, the value came, isn't it? How the value came, let us again open it, Alt and F11, then you can see it, Alt and F11 key. So as you press the Alt and F11 key, you will see, just now I am showing to you that Visual Basic will open in front of you. See, the Visual Basic has opened in front of you, and in this particular Visual Basic, what I have done, I have written one program. So this way you can do the different pattern of programs. So you can do the create a different pattern of functions, and after creating the different pattern of functions, what you can do, you can execute it. So those functions will be your own self created functions. So this is what known as a macros. Okay, so how you can use the macros, that is also been shown to you. How you can implement the macros, that is also been shown to you. This is the visual basic which we required. So this way we can do the macros. So thank you students. I am ending my excel session here. That means our total excel session is completed. Next video I am going to start the next part. That means new part, new things from our either the different sections that is left over. Okay, so our total excel session we have completed in this two different videos. Thank you all.